Them damn trains. Yeah, I sit here, might as well record this bloody thing. Yep, even in Canada we get the graffiti. A lot of these go down states. They love graffitiing everything up there. Down there. Tanker. Wood. Steel. Look at it all. Those are thick pieces of steel too.
He's coming now. Steels?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Train wheels.
Train wheels.
These brand newies. I bet you that flat steel's going down to Hamilton maybe. National Steel Car.
They're all sealed. They're all sealed.
Yeah. The snow on the back of them.
Yeah. I'd love to pop those open.
Yeah. Look at all that product going.
Yep. Millions and millions.
Yeah, big bucks, no whammies. Looks like this one they're going to split down later. Here comes an engine.
Hey?
Here comes an engine, they'll split it.
Later on?
Yeah. Oh, that's an American one, I think. BNSF?
They might need that to help it go.
Well, no, they'll split the train at some point. And one will go one way and one will go the other way. Geez, so it looks like a ways down there. Funky flag down the track. It's like it's snowing in the vehicle here. Look at it. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Hey, this is Dano. I'm out.